Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about feelings and emotions. Listen and learn with me. Hungry, I feel like I want food. When I am hungry, my stomach growls. Happy, I feel good and smile. When I am happy, I have joy in my heart. Sad, I feel bad and may cry. When I am sad, my eyes might be wet. Angry, I feel mad or upset. When I am angry, I want to shout. Excited, I feel very happy and ready. When I am excited, I can jump for joy. Scared, I feel afraid. When I am scared, my heart races fast. Nervous, I feel shy or worried. When I am nervous, I may shake. Bored, I feel like nothing is fun. When I am bored, time moves slowly. Tired, I feel sleepy and need rest. When I am tired, I want to close my eyes. Surprised, I did not expect it. When I am surprised, my eyes open wide. Confused, I don't understand. When I am confused, my head feels fuzzy. Calm, I feel quiet and peaceful. When I am calm, I breathe slowly. Shy, I don't want to talk. When I am shy, I look down. Lonely, I feel alone. When I am lonely, I wish for friends. Proud, I feel good about what I did. When I am proud, I stand tall. Ashamed, I feel bad about something. When I am ashamed, I want to hide. Embarrassed, I feel shy and red in the face. When I am embarrassed, my cheeks are pink. Jealous, I want what others have. When I am jealous, I feel uneasy inside. Grateful, I feel thankful. When I am grateful, I smile at others. Hopeful, I think something good will happen. When I am hopeful, I look forward. Shocked, I feel surprise in a strong way. When I am shocked, my mouth opens. Silly, I feel funny or playful. When I am silly, I laugh a lot. Sick, I feel unwell. When I am sick, I want to rest. Hurt, I feel pain or sadness. When I am hurt, I may cry. Loving, I feel love in my heart. When I am loving, I hug others. Brave, I feel strong and not afraid. When I am brave, I try new things. Worried, I think something bad may happen. When I am worried, my stomach feels funny. Annoyed, I feel bothered. When I am annoyed, I may frown. Energetic, I feel strong and active. When I am energetic, I want to run and play. Relaxed, I feel free and easy. When I am relaxed, I smile calmly. Great job. Now you know 30 feelings and emotions. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.